Every day, millions of people around the world ask AI assistants their most private questions: health concerns, legal advice, business secrets, personal struggles. But here's what most people don't realize: every single one of those conversations is being recorded, stored, and potentially sold to the highest bidder. What if I told you there's finally an AI assistant that actually works for you instead of turning you into the product? Welcome back to Atari News channel. Let's talk about what's really happening when you chat with mainstream AI tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're all doing the same thing. They're logging every word you type. They're storing your conversations on their servers. They're using your personal data to train their models, which means your private information could literally end up in someone else's AI response. Think about that for a moment. That sensitive legal document you asked ChatGPT to summarize, that personal health question you posed to Claude, that confidential business strategy you ran by Gemini, all of it stored, analyzed, and potentially exposed. And here's the kicker: most of these companies are based in the United States or China, operating under surveillance laws that give governments broad access to your data. Your most private thoughts and business secrets aren't just vulnerable to corporate exploitation, they are sitting ducks for government surveillance programs. But what if there was a better way? What if you could harness the incredible power of AI without sacrificing your privacy, your security, or your peace of mind? Meet Lumo, the world's first truly private AI assistant, brought to you by Proton, the company trusted by over 100 million people worldwide to protect their digital lives. Lumo isn't just another AI tool with a privacy policy slapped on top. This is artificial intelligence reimagined from the ground up, built on a foundation of zero knowledge architecture and European privacy standards. With Lumo, you get all the intelligence and capabilities you need: document analysis, web research, creative writing, code generation, complex problem solving, but with one crucial difference: your data stays yours. Period. No logs, no data harvesting, no surveillance, just pure AI assistance that actually serves you, not some corporate surveillance machine. So, how does Lumo actually protect your privacy? Let me break down the technical magic that makes this possible. First, zero logging. Unlike every other major AI assistant, Lumo doesn't keep any record of your conversation on their servers. When you close the chat, it's gone forever, unless you choose to save it with end to end encryption on your device. Second, zero access encryption. Any chats you do save are protected with the same battle tested encryption that secures Proton Mail and Proton Drive. Even Proton themselves can't read your conversations. Only you hold the keys. Third, no data sharing. Lumo's architecture makes it impossible for your data to be shared with advertisers, third party vendors, or government surveillance programs. There's simply nothing to share. Fourth, your conversations are never used to train AI models. Other companies take your private inputs and use them to improve their systems, which means your personal data could literally end up in responses to other users. Lumo guarantees this will never happen. And finally, European sovereignty. Lumo runs entirely on open source models in European data centers, completely independent from American and Chinese AI giants. Your data never leaves the privacy friendly jurisdiction of Europe. But privacy means nothing if the AI can't help you. So let's talk about what Lumo can do. Lumo handles all the tasks you would expect from a world class AI assistant: summarize complex documents, including sensitive legal contracts and confidential reports, generate and debug code in any programming language, write compelling emails, proposals, and creative content, research topics while searching the web in real time, analyze spreadsheets and data files. But Lumo also offers features you won't find anywhere else. Ghost mode lets you have conversations that disappear the moment you close them, perfect for those ultra sensitive queries. Seamless integration with Proton Drive means you can analyze your encrypted files without ever exposing them to third parties. And here's the best part: you can start using Lumo right now, completely free without even creating an account. Just go to lumo.proton.me and start chatting. If you want to save your conversations across devices, simply log in with your Proton account and everything syncs securely. Plus, with native apps for Android and iOS, you can take your private AI assistant anywhere, knowing that your mobile conversations are just as secure as your desktop ones. Lumo represents something bigger than just another AI tool. This is about technological sovereignty. This is about building a future where European innovation leads the way in response to AI development. Proton is investing over 100 million euros to build what they call the Euro stack, a completely European alternative to American and Chinese tech dominance. Lumo is the first product in this vision, but it won't be the last. Think about what this means for you, whether you're a journalist protecting sources, a lawyer handling confidential cases, a doctor discussing patient care, an entrepreneur developing new products, or just someone who believes your private thoughts should stay private. Lumo gives you the AI assistance you need without the surveillance you don't want. This isn't about being paranoid. This is about being realistic. In a world where data is the new oil, Lumo ensures you own your own resources. The age of surveillance based AI doesn't have to be permanent. Every time you choose Lumo over a big tech alternative, you're voting for a different kind of future, one where artificial intelligence serves humanity, not the other way around. Ready to experience AI without compromise? Well, I've included a complete step by step guide on how to access Proton Lumo in the description box below. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please hit that bell icon. And like always, I'll see you again in the next video.